Lesson. Context clue. Context clues are hints or information found within a sentence or paragraph that help readers figure out the meaning of an unfamiliar word. Here are the types of context clues and their examples. Type. Definition. It means that the word is clearly defined in the sentence. For example, a pediatrician, or children's doctor, treats only young patients. Type. Synonym context clue. It means a word with a similar meaning is used. Example. She was elated, or very happy, when she won the contest. Type. Antonym. An opposite meaning gives a clue. Example. Unlike her hostile brother, she is friendly to everyone. Type. Example context clue. Here, specific examples are given to explain the word. For example, he is gregarious, he enjoys parties, socializing, and making new friends. Type. Inference context clue. General clues in the sentence help you guess the meaning. Example. The arid desert made us thirsty and sweaty after only a few minutes. Why it's important. Context clues help you understand unfamiliar words without using a dictionary. Improve reading comprehension. Expand your vocabulary. Lesson. Analogy. An analogy is a comparison between two things that are alike in some way. It shows relationships between words or ideas. Analogy format. It usually follows the pattern. A is to B as C is to D. Here are common types of analogies and their examples. Type. Synonym analogy. Pattern it shows, same meaning. Example. Happy is to joyful as sad is to unhappy. Type. Antonym analogy. Pattern it shows. Opposite meaning. Example. Hot is to cold as tall is to short. Type. Part to whole analogy. Pattern it shows. Part is part of the whole. Example. Pedal is to flower as wheel is to car. Type. Cause and effect analogy. Pattern it shows. One causes the other. Example. Study is to learn as eat is to grow. Type. Object and function. Pattern it shows. Object and what it does. Example. Pen is to write as knife is to cut. Type. Degree analogy. Pattern it shows. One is a more intense form. Example. Warm is to hot as cool is to cold. Why it's important. Analogies help you understand word relationships. Improve logical thinking and reasoning skills. Prepare for tests and vocabulary development. Summary. Context clues are hints in the sentence to understand unknown words. Example. The benevolent man donated to the poor. Clue. Donated means kind. Analogy is the comparison showing relationships between pairs of words or ideas. Example. Book is to read as spoon is to eat. How context clues can help in analogy. What's the connection? Context clues and analogies are both about understanding word meanings and relationships. When you're faced with an unfamiliar word in an analogy, context clues in the sentence or word pair can guide you to the correct meaning or relationship. Here's how it works. 1. When a word in the analogy is unfamiliar, you use context clues in the sentence or surrounding words to figure out its meaning. 2. Once you understand the meaning, you can identify the relationship between the words, like synonym, antonym, part to whole, etc. 3. This helps you choose the right answer or create a valid analogy. Example 1, with unknown word. Analogy. Cacophony is to noise as fragrance is to blank. Cacophony might be unfamiliar, but context clues, if given in a sentence, might say, the street was full of shouting, honking, and sirens, a true cacophony. From the description, we understand it means loud or harsh noise. Now we know, cacophony is a type of noise. So we need a word that's a type of fragrance. Correct analogy. Cacophony is to noise, as fragrance is to scent. Example 2, using context clues in choices. Analogy. Tundra is to cold as desert is to blank. Let's say you're not sure what tundra means. But in a sentence, a tundra is a frozen, treeless region with very cold temperatures. From this, you understand it is related to cold. Now match that pattern. Tundra is known for cold as desert is known for heat. Correct answer. Heat. Summary. Context clues help you understand unfamiliar word, so that you can identify the correct meaning in the analogy. Context clues help you spot the relationship, synonym, part, etc., so that you can match the correct pair. Context clues help you eliminate wrong answer choices, so that you can improve accuracy in analogy questions. Now let's see if you understand our lesson. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answers in your notebook. Your teacher will check your answers in class. 1. Generous is to giving as rude as to blank. Clue. A generous person likes to share and donate. A. Polite. B. Angry. C. Respectful. D. Impolite. 2. Caterpillar is to butterfly as tadpole is to blank. Clue. A tadpole grows into a hopping animal. A. Frog. B. Lizard. C. Bird. D. Worm. 3. Library is to books, as aquarium is to blank. Clue. An aquarium holds many living sea creatures. A. Sand. B. Water. C. Fish. D. Glass. 4. Frigid is to cold, as scorching is to blank. Clue. Frigid means extremely cold. What means extremely hot? A. Warm. B. Cool. C. Hot. D. Breezy. 5. Artist is to paintbrush, as writer is to blank. Clue. An artist uses a tool to create a painting. What tool does a writer use? A. Keyboard. B. Desk. C. Book. D. Story. 6. Puppy is to dog, as kitten is to. Clue. A kitten is a baby blank. A. Rabbit. B. Cat. C. Hamster. D. Lion. 7. Honest is to truthful, as deceitful is to blank. Clue. Deceitful people lie and trick others. A. Loyal. B. Friendly. C. Dishonest. D. Proud. 8. Chef is to cook, as teacher is to blank. Clue. A chef prepares food, a teacher helps students learn. A. Read. B. Educate. C. Write. D. Study. 9. Seed is to plant, as egg is to blank. Clue. A seed grows into a plant, an egg grows into a living blank. A. Rock. B. Chick. C. Shell. D. Leaf. 10. Whisper is to quiet, as shout is to blank. Clue. Whispering is speaking very softly, shouting is speaking very blank. A. Loudly. B. Quickly. C. Kindly. D. Slowly.